What's going on, guys? So we're going to be taking a look at Apple. Apple pretty much finished flat on the day, only up 53 cents. Now, did start off a lot better. I did take a trade to the long side on Apple, but one thing that I kind of do want to point out here is I really don't like the kind of strong rejection that we had off that 20-day moving average. You can see this big long tailing wick here off this 20-day moving average got pushed all the way back down into this hammer candle formation here. So one thing that I'm going to kind of be looking at here is if we can kind of see this previous floor that we had the last week here. This was acting as resistance, 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 resistance until we finally broke through and kind of shot up to that 20-day moving average. Does not necessarily mean that there's not going to be a trade opportunity to the long side, but what I'm going to be doing is being a lot more patient when it comes to taking trades to the long side, especially in this market. I need a little bit more confirmation. I need a little bit more kind of conviction from the bulls showing me that we're going to actually start to push higher here. So my level is going to be very, very simple on Apple. Anything over 133.40, I'm going to get long. My next price target over that 133 area is going to be into this upper supply zone here. That's going to be correlating with the 50 EMA as well as this linear regression channel 50. That price is going to be around 138. So this is going to be the area in the zone that I'm going to look to play to the long side. Until that happens, I'm just going to kind of continue to wait for the price action to develop and get there. Now, I am interested in a little bit of a short trade here just to backtest this kind of breakout spot here. So last week we did close over the 10-day moving average. We got that push higher over the previous candle's high, and then we got that rejection in the 20-day moving average. So all I'm realistically looking for here tomorrow is anything below 129.77. Play that back down into this demand zone here at around 128.40. Not going to be a whole lot of room here. Not looking for a home run trade, just looking for just a little bit of cash flow to kind of generate here on that short side trade. And then I want to clean up that position and exit the position before we get here. As this 5-day moving average starts to curl higher, we need to see if it crosses above the 10-day moving average to give us a little bit more stability here. But the next short trade that I would be looking for if we do continue to slide is going to be below 127.35, and then I'm going to play that into 126. Anything below 126, we can come all the way back down here, start testing this floor, and we do have the lower Bollinger Band sitting at around 120. So again, kind of keep Apple on watch. This is a two-sided trade depending on if the market wants to push higher, and I gave you those levels here that I'm looking at, and the levels that I'm looking at to the short side is below that 129.77. Hope this video helps. If you guys want to join the community and the chat and trade with us each and every single day live, make sure you join the Discord. That link is down in the description box below. If you guys are looking for access to my strategies, go to evolutiontraders.com. There's going to be a top banner at the top where you guys can become a lifetime member there, one-time payment, and that is it. I will see you guys all in the next video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.